In this video, I will show you how you can sign any document using the Preview app on your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the document which you want to sign. For that, just open the Files app, then go to the location where you have saved your document. For example, I will open this document. Now after you open any document from the Files app, it will open directly in the Preview app, just like that. Now to sign this document, just tap on the fill form icon at the top of the screen. Now at the bottom right corner on the screen, just tap on the plus icon. And from this menu, just select add signature. Now over here, just write your signature. Now if you're not satisfied with the signature which you have done, just tap on clear and write your signature again. Now once you're done with the signature which you have done, then just tap on done and place your signature wherever you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the signature to however you want. And once you're satisfied with your signature, then just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.